Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be good for you if you've had any experience in inventory or reporting. Maybe you used to work for a warehouse or something, keeping inventory, or you're analytical and know a lot about reporting. The company is Lumi Deodorant. You may have seen commercials from them on YouTube and stuff. They are an all-natural deodorant company. They are a startup. They only have 16 reviews on Glassdoor. Out of those 16 reviews, though, they do come highly rated by their past and current employees and a 4.3 out of 5-star rating. They're looking for an Amazon inventory manager. So they sell their products on Amazon, and they're looking for somebody to manage their inventory and their inventory reporting for their Amazon product line. This is going to be remote for the United States. So you'll be managing daily, weekly, and monthly inventory reports to ensure optimum inventory levels based on the most accurate demand data. You'll collaborate with the supply chain managers for manufacturing and production plans, making sure to replenish inventory as needed. You'll build effective communication channels and collaboration processes within the different teams, like the supply chain. And you'll just communicate any possible risk that will have an impact on the inventory. So you're going to manage all things inventory by outbound transactions in close coordination with the transportation carriers and the warehousing and third-party logistics service providers. Now, best thing about this, they don't require any kind of college degree, just 5 years of experience working in some kind of operations with 2 to 3 years experience in supply or inventory planning. Ideally, they would like somebody who has a planning for Amazon products specifically, someone who has strong analytical skills, and someone who's a strong communicator with great attention to detail. Pay for this position is anywhere from $85,000 a year all the way up to $95,000 a year. And at $85,000, that is a little over $7,000 a month. Now, do be aware that's before taxes and insurance and all kinds of deductions. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button if you enjoyed it. Share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.